Describe one of your neighbors. You should say, when you two became neighbors. How often you meet him, her. Whether your neighbor is a good person. And explain why you like, dislike this neighbor. I would like to talk about one of my neighbors who has been living next door to me for the past 5 years. His name is John, and he is in his mid-30s. We first became neighbors when I moved into my current house, and he was already living in the house next door. I usually see John every other day, as we both have similar work schedules and tend to leave for work at the same time in the morning. We often chat for a few minutes before we head off to work. Apart from that, we don't interact much as we both lead busy lives. Overall, John is a very good person. He is always willing to lend a helping hand to anyone who needs it. For example, when I had an issue with my car last winter, he was quick to offer his help and tools to fix it. He also takes care of his house and lawn, and ensures that the neighborhood is kept clean and tidy. Personally, I really like John as my neighbor. He is respectful, friendly and always willing to help. I feel comfortable knowing that there is someone nearby who is always ready to assist in case of any emergency. I feel that he adds value to the community and makes it a better place to live in. In conclusion, having a good neighbor like John has definitely made my experience of living in this neighborhood much more enjoyable. I feel lucky to have him as a neighbor and hope to continue our friendly relationship in the future.